Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great today. I'm here with the third season of our academic writing training series. In this season, we are going to talk about some important points that will help you write papers that are more current, more scientific, and overall more professional. As always, stay with me throughout this season. Today, in this season, I want to teach you one of the most important parts of academic writing, which is the principles of choosing and writing an effective research paper title. This title that for this article. As you already know, the title, the title of a paper is the very first things that a reader, reviewer, or editor encounters. That is why choosing a suitable, precise, and well-structured title is extremely important for articles. So for that purpose, I've brought several titles, several titles from my own published papers here. Or these articles are published from me and my colleagues. Before we move on to the examples, we first need to understand that a good title is not just a simple name for your paper. In fact, the title should be able to communicate the main idea of your research, research to the reader as clearly and accurately as possible using the fewest words possible. For example, these words, this word, this word, this word. In simpler terms, when someone reads your paper's title, they should immediately have a general understanding of what the article is about. What article uh, about is about, and what the main problem or topic the research is focused on. And now the question is, what characteristics does a standard and effective title have? First characteristic is clarity. Your title should be clear and straightforward, which means avoiding vague or overly general words. Second, the title should be as concise as possible. You are not supposed to explain the entire paper in the title. Instead, you should provide an accurate summary of the main topic. The third important point is that your title should include the main keywords of your research. This not only helps readers better understand your work, but also makes it easier for your article to be discovered in academic databases and search systems. Now, let's take a look at a few examples I have prepared so we can better understand how these principles are applied in practice. this evaluation of AGM from method for thermal radiation of non-fluid from two tubes in nearest of magnet field or AGM and else. It is also a good idea to include these same terms in the keyword section of your paper. This keyword section. This shows that there is consistency and strong academic alignment between your title, the content of your article, and the keywords you have selected. Usually, when an editor or reviewer notices this kind of consistency, they develop a more positive impression of the quality of your work because it indicates that the manuscript has been written carefully, systematically, and with a clear structure. So always keep in mind that a good title is not only about being attractive, it should also be fully aligned with the actual content of your research.